Learn with Zara, an educational channel.
Hi kids and parents, in today's video we will learn affirmative and negative sentences. So let's get started. Affirmative sentences. I am happy today. I am happy today. This is an affirmative sentence. I love my family. I love my family. I can help my friends. I can help my friends. I like to learn new things. I like to learn new things. This is an affirmative sentence. I share my toys. I share my toys. I say thank you. I say thank you. I try my best. I try my best. I smile every day. I smile every day. I feel proud of myself. I feel proud of myself. Negative sentences. I am not sad. I am not sad. This is a negative sentence. I do not tell lies. I do not tell lies. I am not rude. I am not rude. I do not waste food. I do not waste food. I do not shout in class. I do not shout in class. I am not lazy. I am not lazy. I do not hurt others. I do not hurt others. I am not angry. I am not angry.
Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.